In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a test call in Microsoft Teams so you can check your microphone, speakers, and camera before an important meeting. Let's start by opening Microsoft Teams on your computer. Once Teams has loaded and you're on the main screen, look towards the top right corner of the window. You should see your profile picture or your initials inside a small circle. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and app settings. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. A new window or panel will open, showing different categories on the left-hand side, such as General, Accounts, and so on. Here, you want to select Devices. This is where Teams lets you manage your audio and video hardware. Inside the Devices section, you'll see options to choose your speaker, microphone, and camera. Take a quick moment to confirm that the correct devices are selected. For example, if you're using a headset, make sure the headset is chosen for both speaker and microphone. If you're using an external webcam, check that it's selected under the camera drop-down. Getting this right will ensure your test call actually reflects the setup you intend to use. Now, within this same Devices page, look for the button that says Make a Test Call. Click on that. Teams will immediately start a test call and you'll hear an automated voice assistant. This assistant will guide you through the test. It will ask you to speak for a few seconds so it can record your voice. When prompted, speak naturally, just like you would in a real meeting. You might say something like, "Hi, this is a test to check my microphone and speakers." After a short pause, the assistant will play your recording back to you. Listen carefully to how you sound. If your voice is clear and at a good volume, that means your microphone and speakers are working correctly. If you sound too quiet, too loud, or distorted, you may want to adjust your microphone settings or move closer to the mic, and then run another test call. Once the playback is finished, the test call will end automatically. You can now close the settings window. Your devices are configured, and you're ready for your next Microsoft Teams meeting with confidence.